Hello there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about image segmentation. So what is image segmentation? So if you go to Google and search image segmentation, then you will get results similar like this. So image segmentation is a technique in which you classify or you differentiate different parts of the image with different colors. So as in this image you can see that the humans are shaded as red, and the cars are shaded as blue, or you can see in this part like these are the cars. Okay, and again if you look at in this example, the buildings are shown as gray color. Okay, and the cars are still blue, the humans are red, the road is somewhat pink color or purple color, light pink. So this is what image segmentation is. So let's talk in this video like how we are going to use k-means for image segmentation. So as we discussed in the previous videos, we will have some data points, and what we are going to do is we are going to find the center of all of them. So this is going to be a center and this is going to be a center. Now let's suppose we have an image in which we have a sky. Okay, so let's suppose this is filled with the sky color. There is some variation of sky color. Okay, and let's suppose there is some grass, so it will be around the color in this portion will be around green color. So what you can say that the value of every pixel is a data point. So the value of every pixel is a data point like this. And what you can say that, okay, let's suppose in this sky part we have light blue, we have somewhere we have dark blue, or somewhere we have uh, this color. So this is like this. Okay, so what we are saying is, okay, we have some different data points, and what we want a middle point, or we want the center of this. So how we can get that? Basically what we are doing here is we are taking the average of all of these colors and we are getting the center. Okay, so now as we have the center, so that this center is nothing but this center is a average color of all of these points. I hope that you are getting my point, but if you don't know what I am doing here, you should go and watch out my k-means series in which I have explained how to find the center and everything. Similarly, what is going to happen, let's suppose these are the points for my green color, and similarly it has some dark green parts, it has some normal green parts, and it has some light green parts as well. So what it is doing, the center that we are finding here is nothing but the average color of all of these colors. So this is going to be the average color. We are gonna say, okay, uh, we are gonna say, okay, so if our point, if our data point like this or like this, and these are nothing but a pixel value, a single pixel value. Okay, so if these points belong to this center or this cluster, then we are gonna replace this point with this color. Similarly, we are going to do this with this, with this, with this, and all of the pixels in this part. Then we are gonna see, okay, if the pixel here belongs to this cluster, so we are going to replace it with this color, the center of this color, the average color. So this is how we are going to find the segmentation, and we are going to uh, do the segmentation here. And it is a very basic segmentation program. It is not going to be very effective, but yes, this will give you a much better idea about how image segmentation works with k-means, and it will also clear you some concepts of k-means plus plus or k-means. So this was it, guys, and I'll see you next time. In the next video, we are gonna make the program for this problem. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.